Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable hotkeys on Axiom. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so the first thing what we need to do is head on over to axiom.trade, and you also need an account here. If you don't have an account, I'll leave a link in the description below where you can sign up using my link and also save 10% on trading fees for the lifetime of your account. So if you're interested in that, go ahead and check and click on my link below. Now from here, once you've signed up to Axiom and got your account, just click onto any token here. So I'm going to click on this one here, pleb. And now once you're on this page, at the bottom of the charts here, we've got instant trade. So go ahead and click onto that and a pop-up will appear like so. And you can move this around anywhere you want. You can make it bigger, smaller. And now on this little pop-up on the top left hand corner, it says enable hotkeys. So go ahead and click onto that. Now let me show you how to use these. So if we hover over any of these little buy options, you can see every button's got a hotkey enabled. So 0.01's got Q enabled, 0.1's W, 1's E on the buys, and on the sells we got 10% is A, 25% is S, 50% is D. So you get the idea. And now before you press on the hotkey, if we hover over the hotkey thing, it will say hold your spacebar to use hotkeys. So you need to hold down space, and then if you want to buy for 0.01, Q, etc. That's how to enable them and use them. So I'll just quickly show you how this works. So if I want to buy, I can do spacebar and Q. But because I don't have enough money, it'll say failed to send insufficient sold balance. So you need to make sure you got money for this to work as well.